Good morning children. This is your third lesson, Animal Fiber, lesson number 3. In this, already in the previous video I have given introduction about fibers and different types of clothes, and here I want to tell you by showing colorful pictures. See the story of silk. The story of silk. How do we get silk from silkworm? Here they given by stages. Stall 1 in the science exhibition, children are showing like this. Stall 1, moth to egg. Here we can see the eggs. Eggs are like small seeds. We can see silkworm eggs are like small seeds. This is the first stage. After that we can see these eggs are called as chilakalu, and another scientific name of silkworm is Bombyx mori. And here we can see farmers from different places of our districts purchase these eggs. So first stage is eggs are purchased by the farmers, and then they will take the eggs and hatch in special chambers, usually over mats or on the beds of chopped mulberry leaves. First you have to know that mulberry leaves are eaten by these eggs of mulberry silkworms. Understand? First we have to know that farmers from Kurnool, Kadapa, Chittoor and some other places of our state come and purchase these tiny worms. Understand? Next what happens? Sometimes silk masks are also sold. Sometimes eggs are also sold. People buy these silk masks to produce eggs. So these eggs are kept in one place, no? The centers are called grainages. Understand? In the second stall we can see the picture clearly. They have taken big trays, wooden frames trays. On that they will keep one paper or cloth. On that they will keep the mulberry leaves, chopped mulberry leaves, because they have to cut into small pieces, like your mother cut into pieces, no, leafy vegetables. Same process, they will cut into small pieces with the help of knife or big cutter, and they will keep as food to these silkworms. They will eat all the mulberry leaves. Again see, in this stage some women are taking out the cocoons from the frames called chandrikalu. So you have to know what are called chandrikalu. See, for example, the whole process obtaining silk starting from silkworm is carried out. We plant the twigs to grow mulberry crops. How mulberry crops are grown? First means the farmer keep the twigs, then mulberry crops grow. Next what happens? These caterpillars eat the mulberry leaves. We chop mulberry leaves into small pieces, no? They eat the mulberry leaves, and by eating they will keep in the chandrikalu, wooden frames. What are chandrikalu? These are chandrikalu, wooden frames, round and round frames. There they live for 30 to 35 days. After 30 to 35 days, the caterpillar stops and eating and settles in a particular place. Only 30 to 35 days it will eat the food. After that, what happens? It stops eating and start making cocoon around the how they make cocoons means caterpillar moves its mouth from side to side, and then secretes some fiber like structure from the mouth, releases, you know already, like how spider also secretes from its mouth when it's exposed to air and becomes very strong. Whenever they release some liquid from their mouth, it becomes strong due to the moisture in the air. Next, the net is woven completely to cover the body of caterpillar. That cocoons are also called as pattukayalu. Understand? They completely cover one nest around them. From that only we will take silk thread. Understand? Now after that, what is the next stage? See the picture carefully. On big bowls they have boiled under steam, they kept for 15 to 20 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. We kill the larva inside a process is called stifling. It is called stifling process. In stifling process, what happens? 10 to 15 minutes, the cocoon and larva inside otherwise, see what happens? The cocoons are boiled or under steaming, they killed. We are killing the larvas. After that, if we not kill, what happens? They fly away. So we will not be able to get continuous thread of silk from the cocoon, such a cocoon. So this is the problem. If you not kill the cocoon, we can't get a large amount of silk thread. Understand? This is the picture, and these cocoons are kept in sealed bags and sold at the cocoon market. See, understand? At Hindupur, Madanapalli, Dharmavaram, Kadiri and Palamaneru, Rayachoti are very famous places for the selling of silk threads. Understand? Now coming to the next stage, cocoon to fiber, process of reeling, fiber to yarn. Yarn means thread. See, here we can observe some people are boiling the cocoons and stirring also, mixing them well. This is one picture, and in the next picture, what is happening? They are reeling. This process is called reeling. Reeling the thread. From the cocoon they are taking yarn and then they are making as a reels. Understand? This is another stage of making silk yarn. And in this stage we can see last stage, obtaining silk from cocoon is called reeling, and this yarn is cleaned, bleached and colored. In silk sarees we are wearing different colors now. How we are getting different colors means they are keeping some color, mixing some chemicals also to make the thread strong. The yarn is ready to be woven into a variety of designed fabrics on looms. Last stage is these are looms. See clearly, that colorful picture is looms. One woman and a man, they were with the help of hand looms, they are weaving the cloth. See, we can visit any handloom houses also. Nandikotkur, Hindupur, Dharmavaram, Madanapalli are very famous for saree preparing. And here we can see the power loom also. In the looms, two types are there: hand looms, power looms. We can see here power loom also. And different types of, what are the different types of silks means? Venkatagiri Pattu, Dharmavaram Pattu, and also Narayanapeta sarees. These are very famous. And Benares, Kanchipuram sarees, Dharmavaram Pattu, Narayanpet, Kottakota, and Pochampalli, very famous Pochampalli. Now I am wearing Pochampalli saree only. And these are different types of silk fabrics. And also we heard the names of Tussar silk, Muga silk, Kosa silk, Eris silk, etc. These are also different styles. Here we can see the different types of clothes. I will show you in the next time, in the next video. And some chemicals are also they will add to make strong. Silk fibers will become strong by adding chemicals. And crepe silk also we can see, and satin also. So different types of clothes we can prepare from power looms and hand looms. This is about silk worm and life cycle. Finally we can see life cycle of silkworm. See the stages: larva, pupa, first eggs and imago, larva, pupa. At last it makes a cocoon. We can see here making cocoon in the pupa stage. With that cocoon only they will take thread and making silk clothes through hand looms, with the help of hand looms. See clearly life cycle of silkworm. This is the story of silk. In the next class I will explain you story of wool. Understand? Okay, so go through this video carefully and I will send some more videos. Thank you.